Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are headed to pick up Gabriel.
In a half mile, turn left.
We know how to get where we're going, but the GPS will hopefully avoid any horrible traffic. Yeah. Yeah, it is a very pretty day. It's probably going to be a very busy day because we're picking up Gabriel this morning. We're picking up my parents at the airport tonight because they are arriving home. Yay! And in between, we're going to be doing various self-tape things. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be accomplished today. And I would like to work out, but I don't know. Cornelius. So you have a foot fetish and a shoe fetish?
Whoa. Go my head. Head. Come on. Cornelius, land on my leg. Land on my leg. Come on.
You gotta wiggle your toes.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Cornelius, come here.
He's like, nope, stand up.
Come on.
Here he comes. Oh! That was on my head. Yeah.
We don't have any more balls, so I can't replace the balls over there. Come on. Have you tried to see if those are dead? Huh? Nope. Made such a bit that I just fumbled over my words. I forgot the first word. I did it again.
You got the sound of music in my head, Mom.
All right. We are headed to the airport to pick up my parents. Yay! Oh, it feels so good out here. It's so nice and like crisp. We're home. They're home. Yay! Final clip.
Oh no, clip.
Yeah, it's late. I should be in bed. We started watching The Bear, and it's really good. And there's no way we're going to finish this episode because it's a very long episode. Tomorrow we have church, and that's all that's officially on the calendar. But I know that there will be other things that happen. So, yeah, until tomorrow.
Hasta mañana.